Robert Osborne.
Thank you. We're ready for Hollywood indeed. What better way to start our journey? From the Old West to the rooftops of London and along the Yellow Brick Road, there really is no place like the movies. One of the Busby Berkeley Spectacular Footlight Parade. Here's one of the most famous of all dance sequences. It's from the 1952 musical classic, Singing in the Rain.
Here's Jeannie Kelly singing in the rain.
Here's one of the quintessential Disney musicals, Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke. This classic earned 13 Academy Award nominations.
Treats. I love this song. Sing along. Hold on to those wallets and purses, folks. This does look like a very good neighborhood.
Here's the birthplace of the gangster film, the seedy underbelly of Chicago, from The Public Enemy, starring James Cagney. Released in 1931 before strict censorship rules were enforced, The Public Enemy is a gritty, realistic, and violent look at the world of gangsters of the Depression era.
These tough guys can turn anything into a weapon.
One at a time. And me? Thank you, sir.
I think it's time for a visit to a concession stand. Bye.
Mr. Osborne, wait! Okay, Muggsy, whatever you say.
Hey, how did you know my name anyways? Okay, how did you hear? Please unsee me if you see cosmetic hat. Yes, so please.
You're making a big mistake here, Muggsy.
Scram out of me, you gotta get light.
I can't just walk out in the middle of the movie.
Here they come, boss! Get out, you grinders!
I'm gonna go find Mr. Osborne.
I'm hit! Hey, I'm hit! Muggsy! They got squid! Muggsy! Muggsy! Squid hit bad! Real bad! Muggsy!
Get married against an Odin, suckers. Hey, what are you looking at? Everybody mind your P's and Q's, and maybe you're looking at. Well, this must be the west side of town, huh?
Western films depict a legendary American wild frontier, where cowboys and their loyal steeds maintain order in towns against the untamable wilderness. John Wayne and Clint Eastwood are two of the iconic stars who epitomize this ideal of the stoic gunslinger.
Hey, that sounds like a guy ain't right on the tights.
Let people do what they want. That's some mighty tough territory you're heading into, Pilgrim. I'd think about turning back if I was you. That is, if you want my opinion.
Now that we're
I reckon you ought to do what you think is best.
Oh, you're valuable. What's that? The jewelry ever wanted on that cash? Hey, out of the weakness neighborhood happen. You don't have to catch me, please. Enough of this. I'm gonna get out of here.
The pirates,
Swing for this! What are we doing? Keep it, Finger Goose.
The emergency destruct system is now activated. The ship will detonate in T-minus 10 minutes. The option to override automatic detonation expires T-minus 5 minutes.
What is that thing? Okay, that's enough creepy. Not only things for one day, alright?
Steven Spielberg and George Lucas cemented their status as the blockbuster boys with their first partnership. Here from that legendary collaboration is Harrison Ford as archaeologist Indiana Jones in Raiders of the Lost Ark.
Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Some of the biggest horror stars of Hollywood have appeared in the ancient story of a cursed Egyptian temple. A priceless jewel that beckons to all, but be warned, temptation always leads to destruction.
Wow, got a load of that junk guy, some time for me to get back to Oi. Good thing I don't believe in ghost stories. Don't nobody move, I go get the goods. I don't think they notice a few extra bodies around here, if you know what I mean.
Is this the end? No. I like the turn. Why do we stop?
Yes, sir.
I've seen enough movies to know that you really shouldn't even think about trying to steal a jewel.
Don't, unbeliever. Disturb the treasure of the gods, and you shall all pay with your lives.
How did she just turn into a skeleton?
She did, they're cool.
Not bad for my first movie, huh?
The twist ending. It just goes to show you anything can happen in the movies. Now, let's get on with the show.
Ooh.
I see dead people.
Things that go well in the night have always been a staple of movies. One of the first horror films was a silent short featuring a dancing skeleton, created by Lumiere Brothers in 1897. Wow, it's really a jungle out there. Where are we?
This is the jungle home of one of the most famous movie characters of them all, Tarzan. The movie's most popular Tarzan is undoubtedly Johnny Weissmuller, who swung through 12 films as the King of the Jungle.
Over there we have Marina Sullivan as Jane, and Tarzan's sidekick Cheetah, who was portrayed by over a dozen chimpanzee actors over the years.
Here's Humphrey Bogart in his most famous film role. In 1942, Bogey finally got to spread his wings and romance the beautiful Ingrid Bergman in Casablanca.
Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon, the rest of your life. You'll always have past. You didn't have it. You lost it until you came to Casablanca. You got it back last night. I've got a job to do too. Where I'm going, you can't follow. What I've got to do, you can't be any part of. Hilda, I'm no good at being noble. It doesn't take much to see that the problems of three little people don't amount to a hill of beans in this crazy world. Someday you'll
And now,
understand that.
one of the most famous movie stars, and in one of his greatest roles, Mickey Mouse as the Sorcerer's Apprentice.
Which is Disney, spelled backwards.
rubbish. You have no power here. Be gone, before somebody drops a house on you two.
Very well. I'll bide my time. But just try to stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
No wonder how we get out of here. What do you folks think? Which way do we go?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road? Now, why didn't I think of that? Sing along, folks. You know the words.
From all of us here at Disney's Hollywood Studios and Turner Classic Movies, we hope you've enjoyed our tour through some of my favorite films. But remember, there are many more adventures waiting for you every day on TCM.
We didn't need dialogue. We had to face it.
Wait a minute. You ain't heard nothing yet. Step in time! I feel the need for a spin.
I'll be back.
You best start believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner.
Is it safe?
I'm feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
I'm a man. Well, nobody's perfect. Shut up.
Make him an offer, Captain Pete.
I want to be alone. We didn't land on Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rock landed on us.